Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Structuring a family office for tax benefits is a key consideration in setting up a family office. Consider these points in structuring your family business for tax purposes. Because the family office is a separate legal entity, one can move additional costs from the family members to the family office. Investment analysis expenses can be tax deductible under Section 162 of the U.S. Tax Code. The case of lender management set forth the following criteria for deducting investment management work as expenses in the family business. The family business conducts its activities with regularity and continuity. The ownership and control of the family business is not the same as the family holding companies. The family members can fire or replace the family office or change its services. The family office engages service providers who may or may not be family members. The family office is compensated separately from its normal return on its assets, and the family office has an obligation to provide those services and does so. The tax advantage comes from shifting the cost of investment work from the individual family member to the family office entity, which can deduct those fees from the revenue generated. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.